Today's video is a really easy and cool coffee table. Now, if you're finding that you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And also, take a minute to visit our sponsors that make this show possible. Hello fellow chopperoos, Chad here, and on today's video I'm going to be making this pinball coffee table. Now I've got some customers that belong to pinball clubs and they try to do their best to restore the machines and put them back into use, but sometimes they get one that's too far gone. So what they do is they get the lights working on it and such, and they've come to me to make some coffee tables, and then they turn around and sell them. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, Chad, I have no interest in putting a pinball machine into a coffee table. Maybe not, but this is a really easy build, and you could simply convert this into a regular coffee table with a solid wood top or with a plywood top. So, without further ado, cue that dance music. hope you enjoyed that video, and my goal is to have plans available for that coffee table real soon over there at woodchoppingtime.com. Now, we have videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so if you haven't, please subscribe. I do want to thank you for watching, and as always, keep on dancing.